guys! Happy Sunday to everyone. So, come with me to Mr. DIY because I'm going to buy some materials that I need for my Spanish language class. Yes, finally, for 1 year and 5 months that I've been staying here in Spain, I finally enrolled myself to Spanish language class. So yes, so the goal for today is to buy only things that I need. So dili ta magpabudol ha, dili magpabalabig pabudol ti. Yeah, anyway, I want to kanang flex my new kanang sitaw gani nga bag. Basta kani siya. Like this one. I love the color because I love matcha, and I think this one is like a matcha color thing. And yes, I bought this from Uniqlo yesterday. So ito, wala man ko plano nga mag-buy og bag is because basta naagi ko friends nga kauban no mavudol jud tag taman-taman. So nakabalik ko og bag nga wala sa ahat. So far I love this bag, and I think this will be I will use this as my go-to bag whenever I go. So whenever like I have errands to go to, this one is like very comfy to wear. And yes, what I want to buy is a notebook. Ano ta makitag notebook dere? Where are your notebooks? This one. B5 money. I want A4. I want a bigger size notebook. They don't have the size that I want, so maybe I'll go to a different store that is near here. So, to see, because ganaan ko kung dako nga notebook, guys. Katulad kayo kung mata, guys. Maybe because akong fake lashes nga gisuot. Yeah. I'm wearing fake lashes. Ibulikat di ay. This is a Chinese bazaar where you can buy different things. I need to find an A4 size notebook. Okay, so nakaulit na ko. Wala na ako nag-video kay na-stress ko sa kadaghan sa tao. So, I will just gonna show you what I bought for today. So, di ba ang goal is paliton lang ang kinahanglanon. Paulit na ko. And nakalabay ko og kanang thrift shop ba. So then navodo lang yung Omega para skirt. So, yeah, I will show you. This one is a long skirt. So this will be the notebook I will use for my Spanish class tomorrow. Nagawas na pod kog balik, guys. Kay I just received a notification na akong gi-order from Decathlon is pwede na siya ma-pick up. So Decathlon is very near sa akong place. So pwede rin ako siya ma-hike. So right now I'm going there to pick up my parcel. Time check, it's 7:29 in the evening, and yes, hayag pa kayo siya. And I think the sunset is around 9 or 8. Wala ko, I'm not sure. So yes, I will show you around, guys. So nana ko sa Decathlon, guys. So Decathlon is a shop where you can buy sportswear, you know, mga active wear. Yeah, so I will ask where I can. Is it upstairs? Napaday sila second floor, which I didn't know. It says Recogida de Pedidos. I think it's here. Hola.
Hola, ¿para recoger?
Sí, por favor. Oh, that's a big one. Gracias. So, nakuha na nako akong order. So, mag-go home na ta. So, yeah. So, i-share na ko unsa akong gipalit. So ano pag-ingon? Kanang para timbangan. Ana na lang. Para, magets. Body conscious mo gud kay ko, guys. Last summer, I was 47 kilo. And that's my ideal weight for my height. Because I'm 4'11". And, yeah. And right now, abot man ko 49, guys. Ma 49 yung amiga. Di na ako makasot og mga sleeveless kay dako lagi mo dako akong bukton nya ako biyang bukton kay naay pagka masculine, like nagit siya kanang muscle good, and dili ko ganon. So that's why ning palit ko og kanang timbangan kay para ma-check na ko kung timbang from time to time, kay for example para ano ko ba ma-minimize na ko akong eating habits. I'll update you guys later when I got home. Kaulit na ko. And i-unbox na nato ni. So, this is the weighing scale. Okay. So, it was a manual. Oh, okay. So, na siya a free nga battery. Laisyon siya, guys. Okay, itawad na ko ang battery. Okay, it's working. Ayaw kay palabi kay murag nahimo kang 51 nga 49 rabya ka ganina pagtimbang. Murag scam ka nga pagkakuan light gamay. Tingnan ko ano na 51 ko ti. Galit lang because I have my phone in my pocket, so I remove it and yeah, 49. Okay, so that's all for today's video, and I hope you like this video, and please follow, subscribe to my channel.